Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, what's on? Coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there? Are we done it?
Inside,
Brand new
inside,
banger.
Inside.
Banger! But as usual guys, right before we get in it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. A quick kick off the first video now.
Oh!
Bitch, what?
This is a fucking joke, right? Oh my god. He's making her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
But he's like, God.
What the fuck?
What? What else say? Hold on, now one wild beer that the man them a feed. Peanut butter and bread. And them just sit down. Just normal so. White people dog. White people different dog. Not accurate. All the girls are supposed to hate him.
Double entanglement, you know.
At
Double entanglement.
double entanglement.
Oh!
Eh?
Double entanglement.
I may say Tanisha Territon. Double entanglement. That me say.
Double ten entanglement. Next one, you know, yo, Rose not easy, you know. Whoa.
Supporter lashed out at PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips.
I want James Roberts to beat out Marsha. And I want Andrew Wallace beat Peter Phillips, PNP, if you go to PNP and wicked. Me now want show up. Me now want PNP again.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Wait till you see that.
Show up!
No.
Show up! Bend the leg, I'm dead! Show up!
What? Jeez. Nosy, bro.
What you doing? What? What you doing, baby?
Excuse you? Can I help you?
Watch out. Yo, that baby. Yo. Yo, I just yo, that baby a sample. Baby, before I took it.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Yo, peeps, you see that youth here? See that youth here? I have to give him a strength. Yo, this youth is a hustler on Orange Street. We have some $100 woman clothes. Real hustler youth. Is a little DJ to and a musician. I want to check this out because everybody I give him a strength. I'll ding dong. Big up yourself, ding dong. I give the man a strength. The man need to go voice that tune here. Only hear this.
Digging at the heat, man, the clothes them cheap. Digging at the heat, man, a clean and cheap. Nothing on there, man, a clean and cheap. Get over here, man, a clean and cheap. Man, a cheap and clean. Rock up down, a cheap and clean. Rock up down. This is a shit right up here. Give me money now, give me money now. Dig it in your pocket, give me 100. Dig it in your purse, give me 100. Shift my left first, give me 100. Pass and pass, come in and me eat now. Pass and pass, look in and me eat now. Pass and pass, nothing to here now. Pass and pass, get over here now. Give me a view now, give me a view now. Come in and me store, give me a view now. Look upstairs, look at the box now. Look outside, yeah, eat that. Load in the clothes, yeah, eat that. Put the money right there, yeah, eat that. Come up when you want that. You want, give me 100. I keep on saying, give me 100. Give me 100. Get out of here, get out of here. Get out of here, get out of here. She and you, get over here now. She and she, get over here now. Tabitha, get over here now. Tabitha, get over here now. Get over here now. Get over here now.
Mad! Digging at your ears, Mr. Digging at anything you want. 100. 100. The man song bad dog. Bad. Bad. That me I couldn't know. Yo. Me I put the man at right sir. He's a young producer and a young artist. AKA hustler. Yo, look how much people out there buy clothes. They man Shelly. Yeah man.
And then I realized like how, and then I had a flashback of me at 10 years old. Yeah, about 10 years old, so like 10 years ago. And I saw, and it was my mom, my dad arguing. And she was like texting him incessantly, just blowing up his phone. And I'm sure he wasn't responding. And it clicked, and I was like, wow, I'm doing exactly what my mom did. Like, I'm in my relationship, I'm doing exactly what she did. And then it clicked again, and I was like, wow, where is my father? Like, where is my father? And I just came to the conclusion of how much of my life I've f***ed up and how much of me is f***ed up simply because my dad just wasn't around, you know? And like, there's just a void where there should be a person. And it's honestly really hard. Like, it's really hard. It's so hard, like day in, day out. And I feel like this is common in the Black community. But not even that, but it's just like.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them clip there. Yeah, my thoughts on the matter as always. You know, me I give you a little feedback on thing. That beer thing there. Y'all crazy. Y'all white people crazy. Oh hell no. And the beer just sit down like. And Rose a sample here, man. Yo, entanglement. Yo, Rose a sample. Yo, y'all see the baby? Baby like, oh, stop playing with me, pops. Yeah, that do funny. But the one who I really want to talk about still, are the one with the what's her name again? Lauren Hill's daughter. Yeah, she talk about the Sela Marley. Yeah, I think what me get it right to box 40. Jesus peace. Sela Marley. Yeah, she talking about the dad's being absent in the home and sharing the whole, or she just sharing what she see her mother and her father, you know, when them have argument and thing, and it's a big thing in Jamaica still. enough father not there, you know what I mean? And what enough people don't know is a father play a vital role in a child life. There's things that a mother just can't do raising a child. You see, just like when there are certain things that a father cannot do, only a mother can instill in a child, and there are things that a mother cannot do, what a father has only to instill in the child. So definitely play a vital role, and that thing trouble, you know, trouble the children. And even me too, me got through it too. You know what I mean? My father never around too. So me know about that, you know what I mean? It's not a joke thing. It's a big deal, you know what I mean? Especially in the black community. It's a big deal. You know, I must say like 90% of the homes, you know what I mean, the father is absent, whether well, most cases the relationship no work, or I'm cheat, or I'm gone, or I'm just left the picnic, you know what I mean, and just gone about in business, or just left the woman. And it's a lot of single mothers out there, a lot, you know. And I guess a lot of people don't know the psychological effect this have on a child, you know, and what effect or what it can do to a child, especially when it even hurt more too when somebody grew up with a father figure, and when they reach like teenager and so, always having a mother and father around, they reach teenager and so, the father just walk out. That crush children, me I tell you another. I've met so many persons who have got through that. I know enough people go through that. You know what I mean? My father left with me a baby, but it still have a little effect. I wish say you'd have your father around, you know, and stuff like that. It contribute to a lot, you know what I mean? A lot, trust me. It can contribute to how you see the opposite sex or think, especially if they're just feeding from one side only, you know, where in some cases the mother out of anger can say, oh man are the wickedest thing on the earth, and feed her ears, and then she just grow up just having that perception that man, them are wicked, them dirty, them ray, them are the worst in the world, you know what I mean? And stuff like that. And that's how it works from both ends, you know what I mean? So mother and father being there play a vital role. Even if only not there, again, I believe the mother and the father should play a vital role. You know, come to some middle ground and work out something and say, alright, we still can come at the house, still can pick her up and stuff like that. But when the father just gone like that, you know, you're no nay, say, J, or way, that's not good. That not good. That is not a good thing, peeps. But anyway, peeps, let me stop my rambling. Me there. Thank you very much for watching, and let's talk down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on all the videos, especially with Sela Marley talking about the absence of her dad, you know, and what she has gone through, and what she has also realized, you know. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and just go on journey, dear boy. Y'all the greatest in the world. Nothing can stop us, cause God will rock.
I need the racks like a bimbo, serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.